Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Wait a minute, I am Cricket. Guys, let me turn this thing around. My goodness, I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, there. Guys, I just came from the grocery store. It was a miracle of God. I was praying that store was not packed, and it wasn't, guys. It was completely dead. Thank goodness. And when I get to the grocery store, my husband says, Diamond, get out of the bag. My husband said, well, we are locked. It's not busy. And I said, well, why would it be busy? It's like, it's the beginning of the month. And I'm like, I don't even know what day I'm living. Anyway, guys, my husband and I spent $342. So we decided to do our groceries just once a month. And yes, we got enough veggies to take us for 2 weeks. And then all we're going to spend money is on vegetables. So we're going to see if that works for us. So we did good last month. We spent like between the time that we went shopping, I think we spent like 400 plus because some things I ran out of like within a week or so. So I just bought the stuff that I wanted to buy that I know is something that we use regularly. And then I bought like stuff to make lasagna because I haven't made a lasagna in like almost 4 months. So guys, let's get started. As you guys can see, I don't have enough counter space. This is why I bought my dish rack drain here. And guys, I got this thing from Temu, and it's well worth it. It is well worth it. And if I get a sink that has double sink, it opens wider. So it's great. $18, guys, from Temu. So I figure I'll share that with you. So guys, let me get started with the stuff. Oh, I move you guys, sorry. These bags are heavy. The stuff that goes in the refrigerator. Oh, let me put it over here. My gosh. It's heavy, guys. It's heavy. Let me turn on some lights here. $7.99, which is great. 32 ounce. It's a big one, family pack. So I bought this for the lasagna because we love our cheese in our lasagna, guys. I haven't had fish sticks in a while. So, and also I was surprised that the stuff that we buy, the prices were good. They were not expensive. So this is a salami. I want to make rice with salami. In Spanish, we call it salchichon. You cut them in little slices and you eat them with Rick's crackers. So 44 fish sticks, not bad, for $2.99. And it's the good brand, as you guys can see. So yeah, guys, I got that. Of course, I always have to have my bag of shrimp. I think you guys are so far away. Let me bring you guys closer. So my bag of shrimp. Guys, another thing that I want to say to you guys, remember that I was complaining about my weight. Guys, I went down to 150 pounds. So I still want to get to 145, 140. So I'm doing great with that weight loss journey. Of course, fish, catfish for my husband. So that was $8.99. I'm gonna put that there. I bought a big bag of quarters. So this was $8.99 as well. So I want to put that in the sink because I want to take that out of the bag, cut them, clean them, and season some, and then put the rest in the freezer Ziplocs. And I did bought a bag of fresh chicken wings. I also want to separate it in half and half. So like that, when I need to cook it, I don't have to take out the whole package. And of course, I bought, you guys know me, I love fish, fried fish. So I bought this to make fry. So yep, and I bought that. So let's continue. I'm going to show you the stuff that goes in the freezer because I want to put that away first. Oh. And of course, today I'm making, you know, I don't know, you guys know, verdura with bacalao, which is roots like cassava, yuca, and all that stuff, potatoes with bacala, salted fish. So I'm going to be putting this to boil in a minute to make dinner, and I'm also going to record that for you guys and show you how it's made. So for those that want to make it, I bought 2 packs of bacon, $2.99 each, which I was surprised. You know, bacon, it goes really expensive. A pack of patties, sausage patties. My husband want to try this sausage patties. It also curl salt pork. This is, you know, I made like white rice with this. It's like white rice with crackle thing. This is so good. So I'm gonna have that. And yes, guys, remember I told you that I'm eating more meat than carbs. So the carbs that I'm eating are healthy carbs. That's how come I'm going down in weight. I am not killing myself doing exercise and none of that. I just changed my way of eating, and of course I go for my daily walks with a paddle. 2 packs of cold cuts, honey ham, and salami. All right, and then I bought, my husband and I got the 10 for 10. You get 10 patties. This is a good deal, 10. So basically $1 each. So yeah. Oh my God, I'm looking at all this stuff and I don't even know how I'm gonna put this stuff in my freezer. My freezer is so tiny. And of course, I got American cheese and provolone cheese. I got sour cream. Two of these, guys. These are so good. I cooked one last week. So, all right. A pack of ham hocks. Two packs of pork chops. Oh, Lord have mercy. That is okay. A little pack of steak. And then I wanted to buy this to make some sandwiches. I can't, you know, so that. Look at my sink is packed. All right, guys. So I'm gonna bring you guys back in a moment. All right, guys. Let's continue. 2 bags. 2 boxes of cereal, Raisin Bran, and Lucky Charms. You guys can see. Butter, cheese for the lasagna, 2 New York extra sharp cheddar, 2 of these. You guys know this can be missing, and you guys saw that I have a latte milk in here. Imitation crab meat. This usually like $6. It was on sale for like 3 something, which that was a good buy. 2 cream cheese for my cream cheese frosting when I made the frosting. And yeah, we didn't grab any flour, any cake mix. Oh well. We just want to get out of there, guys. We have not eaten breakfast and it's already late in the evening. It's already 3 o'clock. We haven't eaten breakfast or lunch. I like the old-fashioned lasagna that you boil and you do it yourself in the, you know, you put in the pan. I have tried the other one and it doesn't cook to me like really soft the way a lasagna is supposed to be. So I only grab one because that's all we need, just my husband and I. Of course, one of the elbows pasta boxes. I bought 2 of these to use as batter for my fish or to make fish fritters. And I bought ramen noodles. I'm been in the kick eating ramen noodles, but the only difference is when I eat ramen noodles, I don't use the seasoning. I like just the noodles with just a tiny little bit of seasoning. I don't use the whole seasoning. You gotta be careful with that seasoning because that contains a lot of salt, and that's not healthy for you. I just love the noodles. So they were 33 cents each. So I got that. And you guys, I told you always that I buy the store brand mac and cheese. This time I actually bought the brand mac and cheese because this time there were two for $5. Usually when I purchase these, they are $3.99 each. So they came out to $2.50, which I think that's a good buy. The store brand, they had it for $2.50 each. So I figure I buy the store, you know, the brand, and I don't know what's going on with the supermarket, but lately they've been bringing everything basically instant, quick, 2 minutes. So we decided to go with cream of wheat, and of course I needed one of these. So sazon, so we got that. All right, guys, let's see what else do we have here. Guys, I am so freaking hungry, it's ridiculous. This bag is really heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, guys, I got my flavored waters. And also I grabbed two of the biscuits. I told my grandson that I was going to make him some monkey bread. He loves it. We love it here. It's delicious. I did make this in a video a couple of years back. So when I make it again, I will record it for you guys. For those people that they don't know how to do monkey bread at home. And of course, Dunkin' Donuts creamer. And of course, for me, zero sugar caramel macchiato. Finally, I find something different. And of course, and I bought a large sofrito for the month. And here's the ricotta cheese for my lasagna. Spam. And also fishing peas. And these ones are no salt added because the no salt, they are $1.25. When you buy the regular with the salt in it, they are almost $2 a can. So save money, buy the no salt, and add your own salt at home. You know, by the time you finish adding all the spices you want to add, you don't need to add anything. And of course, we have a Okio's yogurt. And I haven't made rice with octopus. So I bought 2 little cans of octopus to make yellow rice with octopus. It's been years, guys. It's been years. It's actually one of my husband's favorite. But at one point in time, these little cans were like $5. So we said no. But we saw them. They were $2.49. So we bought 2. So I'm going to make that for my husband. Of course, 2 cans of corn. The same thing with the no salt added on the beans. 2 for $2, so $1 a can. Just add your own salt at home, and you are better off. Of course, my husband, I don't drink this garbage, and he got 3 corns. So he got that. And of course, 1 of these. All right, guys. So I'm going to put this stuff away, and I bring you back with the end of my grocery shopping to show you what can you get with $349. I believe I said. I don't know how long later, but now I'm going to share with you what I have left, which is a loaf of bread. Another one of these. Hawaiian King's bread. Delicious bread. And 18 dozen of eggs. These are 18 large count white eggs, and this was for $59, which was a good buy. And of course, I told my husband what he bought two. He said I will buy one the next time I come to the grocery store. And I know the next time he goes to the grocery store, it's gonna be like probably $10. So, bag of grapes. You guys know me with the recaito. I got two of them. A bag of onions. An avocado. This is going to be for today's dinner. It's done. It's nice and soft. A beef steak tomato. That's for our salad. Also wanted a pineapple. Something for the pineapple. That was a good buy. And of course, my daughter asked me to make her some fried plantains with garlic and sweet plantains with fried eggs. So I will be making that for her soon to take to when I go visit her. Celery sticks. Yellow bananas. A head of lettuce. I only bought 2 green plantains because I have one here already. 3 apples because I still have strawberries, blueberries, pears, and a mango in my fridge. I don't buy too much food because it goes bad. And then 2 head of garlic. And guys, that's what you can get with $349. And I still have not gotten my olive oil and a few things that I need. So, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, I love you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye.